Today, I'm going to unbox and review Petron Beats Buds Plus wireless earbuds. Welcome to my channel, this is Ashutosh Nirmal. And if you are here first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when new videos uploaded. Let's start. Here's the box. First, check the box details. Here buds picture and model name. Here are the specifications. It comes in 3 colors. This one is in silver. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It's priced at $2499 but it's available under $1300 at $999 during the sale. The best thing is that it's made in India product. Let's unbox it. First, there's an instruction manual, a USB to micro USB charging cable, 2 pairs of extra ear tips, an earbud case, and here are the earbuds. This case is made up of metal and plastic. It's quite compact. It's 2.5 inches by 1 inch and 1 inch in thickness. The corners are curved to make it easy to grip and pocket well. It comes in silver black combination with the Petron logo on the front and micro USB charging slot on the back. Besides this, there are red and blue color also available, but buds only available black color. This middle part is made up of metal and the lid and bottom are made up of plastic. The case build feels very good and durable. The lid quality is okay, but the hinge feels very flimsy and might break if not used it carefully. Lid is magnetic but magnet quality is okay, it's not too good. Buds charge magnetically and magnet quality is good. Buds won't fall off even if you turn it over. Inside there is a digital battery indicator with left and right symbol which clearly shows how much battery left. Here are the buds. These are made up of plastic but build quality is good for the price. They are very lightweight. Here's the bud with black color with a matte finish, and this whole glossy part is a multifunction button. Here are the LED lights, magnetic points for charging and left-right symbols. Ear tips are angled down to provide a better fit. Ear tips fit in your ears well and it won't fall off even you are running or exercising. There are 2 more ear tip sizes available, so choose according to your comfort. IPX4 rating mentioned on the website, but there's nothing about that on the box or in the booklet, so I cannot confirm about that. Still, build quality wise, these are very good for the price. When you take out the earbuds from the case, they'll start. If not, you can press and hold the button for 3 seconds and they'll start. A blue light starts blinking on both and they both paired each other automatically. After that, only one earbud flashes the blue light, which means they are ready to be paired. Here you can see Petron Beats Buds Plus on the mobile. They are connected and light stopped blinking. Although these earbuds come with buttons, using functions are quite easy. You can click once to play or pause the music on either earbud. Double click on the right earbud to go to the next track and double click on the left earbud for the previous track. Click once on either earbud to receive the call or double click to reject the call. To activate voice assistant, just press and hold for 2 seconds on either earbud. You cannot change the volume with the earbuds. As these buttons are quite big, you don't have to try to find the spot every time you want to use the functions. As these buds come with Bluetooth 5.0, range shouldn't be a problem, but in reality, range is just average. You can leave your mobile in the room and buds will work in the next room, but beyond that it will just disconnect. Although it will reconnect again when you come back into the range. Both buds come with 40 mAh battery which gives you around 3.5 hours, and you will get bit more than 10.5 hours with the case. You can charge the case in around 1 hour 10 minutes. It only supports 5V 1A charging, so there is no fast charging available. The call quality of the buds is okay. There is no noise cancellation but sound is clear on both sides. These earbuds works in dual mode. That means you can use either both buds or you can also use a single bud. These buds come with 800 neodymic copper drivers which produces good sound. The sound is clear but not the loudest. Highs and mids are good. It also produces good amount of bass and it's not too high or too low and never overshadowed vocals. Vocals are clear and you can listen dialogues and lyrics quite clearly. One of the good things is that there's no distortion at full volume. There are not many cons, but it would be better sound is little bit louder. There are no lags while watching videos or listening to music, but if you want to play games, there are noticeable lags. It's good for basic games but not for competitive ones. I played COD and I can say that gunshots and footsteps are clear, but there are lags which will cause you some problems in the game. So if you want to buy cheap wireless earbuds which is not made in China and want to have full wireless experience, you can go for this one. In this budget, these are very good true wireless earbuds. If you want to buy this, I'll leave the best link in the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.